Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Naresh Chhetri and I'm an assistant professor of cybersecurity at Lindenwood University. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the function concept in JavaScript. So be careful. The function I'm talking about here in this video is the user-defined function. That means the function we can make our own, okay? User-defined function. So we can define our own function. I have a sample over here, and that start with the function keyword. And function keyword, obviously the name is the name of the function. So let us go here. We have already called some existing function. Okay, existing function means they are not user defined, they are the predefined function provided by the JavaScript for us. So if you have gone through some predefined function, then it will be easy for you to make your own. We normally make our own or user defined function. So function keyword, you already know, is used to create or define a new function in our JavaScript. So these function, the alert prompt and console.log are some of the predefined function. That means they are predefined in the sense that they are already provided by the JavaScript for us. So we have to use that function directly, and we don't have to call that. We can directly use it in our program. So the core idea of the function is to do a task. That means our own function we are talking about here, and they are made up of sequence of JavaScript statements, or we normally say JavaScript code over here. So we do not know how the function works, but we only should call the function. Okay, this is the main part of the program, and it performs the task for you. So here I have used the onload attribute to call the function. So we will talk more about that and see the implementation in the JavaScript program, okay, which is the next part after this PPT. So the onload attribute help us to call our own function or call our own JavaScript function, and it performs the task, whatever the task is defined over there. So unless we are writing our own function, yes, that's right, we can create our own JavaScript function, and the normal syntax is this. So we have to follow this syntax. And the only thing we have to be careful about is the parameter name is the optional. That means we can use or do not use as per the need of a program. And the body, which is the body of the function, and the only thing is the name that should be replaced by the new function name, or we normally call as a identifier for that function name. Okay, so after this, we will be quickly going over the actual implementation of the code, and we will be writing code for our own user-defined function and run it. And it's so simple. The only thing is that I have used the script tag, and inside the script tag, I have a external file that has the JavaScript code, which is module 4 example1.js. If you don't know how to make an external file, please watch the previous video. And if I go to the external file over here, I have a function. That's it. The name, which normally says identifier, is a hello class fall 2022. I mean, you can give any name for the function, and alert statement inside that just to display a message. And the next important thing I was talking about is the function calling, which is made over here. So the function calling is made on the body with the help of onload attribute. So please don't forget that this is not the default method. There are many other ways to make a function call. Like we have another function called get element by ID. We will be using subsequent method in the next programs. But for this, for now, to make it easy, I have used the onload attribute, and the onload attribute equal to the name of the function, or we normally say function name or the identifier. The rest are the code you already know from the previous program, the heading 2 for S2 and the paragraph showing, and we close the body and the HTML. Just try to run the program, and I can see I get the alert statement from the external file printing hello CSC10022 from onJS function. Okay, so and if I click OK, and if I go over here, we can see the output, whatever we have in our heading 2 and paragraph over here. So I hope this helped